Welcome back to the channel. Let's get real today. We're diving into a powerful topic that many of us can relate to: the profound effects of silence and the journey of moving on after a relationship. When someone lets go of you, especially if they never truly recognized your worth, it can be a painful experience. But here's the intriguing part. Often, it's only after that person realizes the mistake they've made that the true weight of their decision hits them. In this video, we'll explore the stages of this realization and how it impacts both them and you. We'll discuss how, at first, they may feel confident in their decision to move on, believing they'll easily find someone or something to fill the void you once occupied. However, as time passes, they begin to notice the emptiness left in your absence. They start to miss the loyalty and support you provided, and as they compare new connections to you, regret can start to seep in. But it doesn't stop there. We'll look at how witnessing your growth from afar can become a catalyst for reflection, prompting them to confront their own actions and the pain they caused. And as they grapple with these emotions, you will discover the power you hold by focusing on your own journey and growth. So whether you've experienced a similar situation or are simply curious about the emotional complexities of relationships, this video is for you. Join us as we uncover the truth behind moving on and the often unseen impact it has on both sides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's get started. Number 1. The initial ignorance. At first, they may feel confident in their decision, thinking that moving on from you was the best choice. They might even feel a sense of freedom or relief, believing that there are other people or opportunities that will fill the space you once held. However, as Epictetus wisely observed, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This reaction often reveals a lack of understanding regarding the impact of losing someone valuable. In their ignorance, they may convince themselves that the relationship was holding them back, or that they can easily replace you. They might engage in distractions or seek new connections, believing that these alternatives will bring them the happiness they're searching for. Yet beneath this facade of confidence lies a sea of emotions that they have yet to confront. The choice to move on can be clouded by misconceptions about love and companionship, as they may not realize the depth of the connection they once had with you. This initial phase can be characterized by a sense of denial, where they refuse to acknowledge the potential consequences of their decision. It often sets the stage for a much deeper realization that will come later as they begin to grapple with the feelings they initially dismissed. Number 2. A gradual realization. As time passes, they start noticing a void. It could be little things, like missing the way you supported them during tough times, or the unique perspective you brought to their life. Initially, these realizations may be subtle, like fleeting memories that cause a moment of reflection. But as the days go by, these small feelings begin to build into a deeper understanding of what's gone. This echoes the Stoic idea that the more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. The realization often unfolds slowly, like the layers of an onion being peeled away to reveal deeper insights. They may find themselves reflecting on shared experiences and how those moments brought joy and comfort. As they compare their current feelings of loneliness with the warmth and understanding you provided, the absence becomes increasingly pronounced. Memories may flood back, highlighting how you offered them stability and joy. Over time, this gradual recognition can lead to profound self-reflection, pushing them to confront their emotions and decisions. They begin to understand that what they once took for granted was in fact a treasure, one that cannot easily be replaced. This is a turning point where they start to wrestle with the idea that their choice wasn't just about moving on, but a significant loss. Number 3, comparing others to you. When they meet new people, they'll unconsciously start comparing them to you. They'll find that these new connections lack the qualities that made you special. Your empathy, your wisdom, or the way you made them feel understood. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In these moments of comparison, they begin to regret their decision, realizing that they may not find someone like you again. This can be a painful realization. As they attempt to connect with others, they may feel empty and unsatisfied. No matter how hard they try to forge new relationships, it becomes increasingly evident that the depth of your connection was unique. They may struggling with feelings of inadequacy. When faced with the reality that others cannot replicate the bond you shared, they may struggle with feelings of inadequacy. This comparison can lead to feelings of loneliness as they start to see that the qualities they valued in you are hard to come by. It's in these moments that they begin to appreciate the nuances of what made you special, the little things that perhaps they overlooked before. They may also confront their own emotional shortcomings, realizing that they took your support and understanding for granted. This stage marks a critical juncture in their emotional journey, as they must come to terms with their regret and the lessons they've learned through the experience. Number 4, missing the stability. You brought being with someone who genuinely cares and adds stability to your life is rare. Once they've lost that stability, they might feel a sense of restlessness. They'll start missing how you made them feel grounded, safe, and valued. This isn't something that's easy to replace, and it often hits hard. As Seneca noted, sometimes even to live is an act of courage. The absence of your presence forces them to confront the reality of their emotions. They might realize that your stability provided a foundation upon which they built their lives. Without you, they may feel as though they are navigating a storm without a compass. The initial sense of freedom that came with the decision to part ways quickly shifts to feelings of chaos and uncertainty. They may find themselves longing for the comfort of your support during challenging times and wishing they could turn to you as they once did. This recognition of loss is profound. It can serve as a wake-up call, prompting them to reevaluate their priorities and what they truly value in relationships. The journey through these feelings can lead to significant personal growth as they learn to appreciate the importance of emotional stability and connection. Ultimately, this phase becomes a critical moment for both parties as they come to understand the impact of your absence and what it means for their future. Number 5, recognizing the loyalty they took for granted. Loyalty is a quality that many take for granted until it's no longer there. As time goes on, they'll start realizing how you always stood by them through highs and lows, offering unwavering support during difficult times. This loyalty, which they might have overlooked or dismissed as a given, suddenly becomes painfully apparent in its absence. The Stoic philosopher Cicero once said, "Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others." In this light, they begin to understand that your loyalty was not merely a part of the relationship. It was a foundational pillar that held everything together. They might remember specific moments when you stood by them, providing encouragement or simply being present when they needed it most. As they reflect on their experiences without you, they may feel a profound sense of loss and regret, realizing that such loyalty is rare and not easily found. This newfound understanding can be both enlightening and painful, forcing them to confront their past actions and attitudes towards you. The absence of your steadfast support becomes a stark reminder of what they hadn't lost. This recognition often sparks a deeper introspection about their values and priorities, leading them to appreciate the importance of loyalty in any relationship. Ultimately, this stage is about acknowledging the worth of what they once had, which can be a pivotal moment in their emotional journey. Number 6, seeing your growth from afar. As they watch you move forward, growing and thriving without them, they begin to understand what they lost. Seeing you find happiness and strength independent of their influence can serve as a powerful reminder of what they could have shared with you. As Epictetus wisely noted, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. This perspective encourages them to recognize that your growth signifies not only your strength, but also the failure to appreciate the partnership you once had. Watching you flourish can trigger feelings of deep regret, knowing they could have been part of your journey toward success and fulfillment. They may scroll through your social media or hear about your accomplishments through mutual friends, each piece of information reinforcing the realization that you are thriving without them. This process can evoke a mix of emotions: admiration for your resilience, sadness for their absence in your life, and a longing for what could have been. The contrast between your progress and their stagnation can weigh heavily on them, leading to self-doubt and a reconsideration of their choices. This realization can often serve as a catalyst for change in their own lives, prompting them to evaluate their priorities and seek personal growth. In witnessing your success, they are faced with the stark reality of their past decisions and the profound impact of their actions. Number 7, the pain of their own actions. At this stage, they might start reflecting on their own behavior and realize how their actions contributed to the loss. This can be a painful process as they confront their mistakes, understanding that their own choices led them to this regretful point. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius stated, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." This insight encourages them to take responsibility for their actions rather than deflecting blame. They may remember times when they failed to appreciate you or when their behavior hurt the relationship. As they analyze their past, feelings of guilt and shame may surface, prompting a reevaluation of their priorities and behavior. It's a crucial moment of growth as they begin to understand the consequences of their actions and the importance of accountability in relationships. This introspection often leads to a deeper emotional reckoning, where they not only acknowledge their faults, but also recognize the value of the connection they had with you. The pain of this realization can serve as a driving force for personal development, inspiring them to change their behavior in future relationships. Understanding that their actions played a significant role in the dissolution of your bond can be a turning point, compelling them to strive for self-improvement and to value loyalty and connection more deeply. Number 8, the desire to reconnect. Feeling the emptiness and witnessing your growth, they may find themselves wanting to reconnect, hoping for another chance. This longing can manifest as a desire to reach out, whether through an apology, a friendly message, or simply checking in. They may feel compelled to bridge the gap created by their earlier decisions, believing that rekindling the connection could alleviate their sense of loss. As Rainer Maria Rilke poignantly noted, love consists in this, that two solitudes protect and touch each other. This realization may inspire them to reach out, hoping to restore some sense of connection with you. However, by now, you may have moved on, building a new life that no longer revolves around them. This shift can deepen their sense of regret as they recognize that their actions have consequences that can't be undone. The desire to reconnect often comes with a mix of hope and fear, knowing that the other person may not be receptive to their overtures. It's a bittersweet moment, as they must face the reality that the relationship they once took for granted may no longer exist in the same form. This desire to reach out often leads to reflection on the nature of relationships and the importance of valuing connections when they have them. In realizing what they've lost, they may also gain a clearer understanding of what they truly want in their lives moving forward. Number 9, your power in moving forward. By embracing your own journey and focusing on self-growth, you've shown immense strength. The impact of losing you becomes clear to them, but you've taken control of your path. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, sometimes, even to live is an act of courage. This sentiment underscores your journey of resilience and self-empowerment. By moving forward with confidence, you demonstrate that your worth is not tied to their validation. You've learned to cultivate your happiness independently, illustrating the importance of self-love and growth. This newfound strength often becomes a source of inspiration for others, including those who may have overlooked your value before. As they witness your transformation, it reinforces the realization of their mistake. The power dynamics shift, and they come to see that you are thriving, living on your own, with or without their presence in your life. Moving forward with purpose not only solidifies your own path, but also serves as a poignant reminder of what they lost. This journey of self-discovery allows you to embrace new opportunities and relationships without being weighed down by past regrets. In doing so, you illustrate that sometimes people only recognize your worth when you no longer need their validation. Your confidence and growth become the ultimate testament to the weight of their mistake, leaving them to grapple with the consequences of their choices. We hope this exploration of the complexities of moving on has resonated with you. Remember, silence can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth, both for you and those who may not have fully appreciated your worth. As we've discussed, the journey doesn't end when a relationship fades. It often leads to profound realizations and personal development. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you experienced the bittersweet process of someone realizing your worth too late? We'd love to hear your stories and insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We're here to support you on your journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and personal growth. Join us next time as we delve deeper into understanding relationships and building a fulfilling life for yourself. Until then, keep embracing your journey and remember, your worth is not defined by others, but by the strength and resilience you show every day. See you soon.